Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah, man.
Where is that motherfucker?
Right there.
Can't really see it on the video.
Oh.
It's a huge, disgusting moth.
Oh, damn!
Get out! Get out my face! Get out my face! Where is it? Where is it?
It's on the floor. You see it?
Oh! Ew! Kill it!
Die! It's dead.
There's another one! There's another one!
Where?
Right there! Right there!
Oh!
Oh my god!
Okay, here. Oh my god. It's all over there though. I'm gonna die.
Oh my god, Alex, don't die on me. Oh my god, there's another one. There's a huge one. Alex.
Which one should I go for? Tiny or
Huge.
Where?
It's on the light bulb.
Oh,
Look at the size of that motherfucker. You can't even see it on the video. They're making babies. Oh my god, Alex, what are we gonna do? Oh my god,
What are you guys doing?
Trying to kill moths.
There's a huge moth, seriously like the size of my finger, in the room. I'm so sorry, Darlie. We'll keep it down.
Where is it? Where is it?
Right there.
Why are they so fast? Oh. Are they blind or something?
I don't know.
Okay, yeah, clearly, I know. I killed it.
Are you sure? Are you sure it's dead?
Its guts are all over this thing.
Ugh.
Die.
Ugh. Okay, where's the other one?
Man, that was scary.
Oh my god. Okay, I think it's safe to end. Say bye.
Bye.